doing magoma. Coming pa going into foreplay. Obi an kana very fast.
So check out as I'm power to benam na za duma nam duka gasi untin mina za sanya bil katon pata ala fidi ko kun kati a kana duma pune ne tete za enfant dem bien santé samba nan kedi jimo kati pi ball inside tamale ngilum bone abu mo zon mi tianan sa kanan katare malama be nirwa yi duma pune of course zon nye za ha tulu ben kana chongo medita ne jima nyala din yan champion ya because bizarre experience, bizarre work radio stations. Yes, me ne born to chant to you to Ashama Nyame. The Namaka Tumpon Tamale Passara, Cabichanti P. Aloboshel, Carbo Viera, Cataborn to Willy, Ula Catian and Calabin Machi, Denye Dene, Power Pachang Matadar, Nidildos, Capambon, sex twice. Enchanted dalla care representere donori an kubukata shel tum pama kala ben man to zane and no to kaduma kane thing will the side implications dem male barna shel zantin pa ay nang de lala ben ma society pune din la ma barna shel zantele des ozon tin la katar kama mona nyala ngun tumde zangale radio hostela bipa kukore saha dala nyele katamale
Hamza
Abdullah Hamza Mohammed yes dala nyele katamale Hamza Mohammed to do mo puni ogbaza radio justice ka otumna so kaso yen ne jima ya den champion ya zo so cheka number marhabi kana bamba yi marhabi
to kulmuna
mona they are not 2 days cutting yet
yes so
of course okay so quickly I'm sure I told you the programs so far anya le chende ma wula ka anya
so poi kam tilena kan la for something Amina management zaha program action venye
okay
and then there is so much to learn and then ben yara shanga bere puni kare something like commande nirbe mi denye shang
okay
yeah
okay ka mabio
I really a particular program when yara ben share them non popular pam on comes and have social media on banden ya ben share sa share kam once ka ko pia phone puna anye notification na kana zan kwara polo and one thing I seen is that you try your best to make sure that kitos on the ban some say they were to di alazama zanti particular topic share no ma kar champion yanga so yadam je pam in the discuss ramuna yam bor na number what to ba set up what to ne piati nyama dabiam na bango na wa do we ne de dollar de na something on ball dollar
you have a long way to go
mona this on topic shares and song ma nye pa so far I don't know de my dabiam nambo ne diam tian chanta pa ngo karpa jene pa bien zandia artificial ben yara ne bezan satisfy ma ben shana on ne nam pa ne daba ne temeta kata kata panye sinisinya male choice ka pa bien male onkure bubukata la bno ma wala ka yunde
okay abu dalisha zolan chaka fabe piggy sex toy
yes
then dabba
yes
okay I cannot really now namla pamendo ni tukuta bukata
of course
and then the come not to pass actually nisan minyeti tmini nisan ma and so bene unabunung marriage
okay.
So ben una kado yele
yes
so kado yele ma kami tom ka boyfriend ba in as much as ti and chang the other part bu condemn la boyfriend girlfriend come on ke bian ka gon nang de laban ma but tila yan kana health wise come on te dala fe pulu doctor ni mi balan yete ne come de ay to bjela kamin do bumrtaba de la nyela de mal barna zang nta so then can't we check up about chant to p sex toys over men. You see that so ben ka boyfriend umini ka boyfriend ma o mala shower and ngona mi dabma excuse me to say this it can understand it because
understand
in can understand shanya la kama let's say okay example kama unka boyfriend ka kan so bedoni kan kana te paga like let's do this. Like, how will you feel?
It's not man. Allah Akbar.
You see, so some of you can understand in such a way that come on, local polo, sex toy local polo, satisfaction like woman to man satisfaction because I found me here tene abananga amria kamin dobe kamin pa amrta renyala tale amila chanta nang masturbation na karlanye tale so that means the two of them they are hanyala tale and then you are also a human amala shawa do duana what do? You choose one for yourself so an kana lo shalpolo like they understand life in such a way that if unka boyfriend be mbenang ready na my boyfriend because boyfriend girlfriend it goes with a lot of responsibilities because the ba kunya responsibility on its own the yala champam so mpashale nkasa na my boyfriend based to manje nang majere and I'm a woman and I am feeling for sex cannot paga let's do this so ben understand that we do it but when I'm born your girlfriend which you are not ready to be a girlfriend to anybody you understand you just want to satisfy yourself and go but lack of understanding shane de yarwa balama so you choose to okay why dildo ma bien me anytime you can use it to satisfy yourself and one beautiful thing about the dildo is that it even reach a woman's orgasm more than a man because most of you guys you don't know how to hit to the G-spot to make a woman get feelings but with the dildoma with the large dildoma it makes her feel very natural and normal you understand so if you cannot paga and it satisfy and karanyala I ignore mama being your girlfriend and I'm not ready to be your girlfriend what do you expect and this is the main reason a lot of ladies has choose this sex toys than men in this hour
but in the first place do you know that kama sex she dinan ka mili a hankal kutu chante pede ne banle ate borne anye ben shazan sex amila
oh yeah of course I'm mili so me bene like onto mili but come ka the time like the sure mine no nang mabe odin nang but health wise la there issues ma because the mala oyam past stage chale kare through kare gingeru it's either some kind of sicknesses all the time or maybe she just have to do something to get released and then be fine so you see that so maybe no could choose me or you know me do ya could pay tab no ko bom no could pay
so angel commandi neti to hitri look shopolo maybe I am pie kapama feeling naturally so dala dildos mo den to hitel lo mama abpam kare de bantola ma barna chezanti
fine so in that case side effects in malama there's no way kan nang de ben shakar ka the side effects because in as much I mean donadian murtaba karto tala fisham the sex toy will not give you that healthy and the boarlesham because the bamala the side effects and side effects man sometimes addiction so no to nang la hala karti chi o jim neti ai so umba man yele octogene hello to kunye real do ba sholo kunang la de baza hapai and it takes very long to get the person out of it and also the lamas oyala pam la dildo no maya the lamas oyala sometimes you also be experiencing some headache and lots of memory and Panalang bela dildo no ma punia sakam anandler feelings ma de bazan halan charma kala experience la loss of memories ma tamsum yet to ambalama so like anto ko en nang ban sha like ka tam anto kula anto baban sha ananga zo on within some period of time ya karlan ni ka chaya
so domin pa amreshi to my romance before Kenan te chante ke ilmo pune so dinan ka you say dildos mo la romance no mama mi ne kuto kana
kadabala mi pa romance ngora dabala mi pa romance
who ka romance
no you people you don't know how
is it about kissing you know
how many men can kiss how many men know how to kiss you don't know how to do it self
who ka kiss
no some of you don't even have kissable lips or mouth to kiss back because like you know it's just the truth so like Roma, you want to get your orgasm. Some of you just hold a woman like don't come quite level, ma. So they can dildo, ma, and the dildo will make a woman feel more than.
So, come on, I'm a to romance. So don't.
No, you romance yourself. I mean, pano to I don't know romance so shanko ba to nye or feeling, but it probably like. Too local is your la vie. Yeah, you accept this, you agree this.
No, at times yeah. At times yeah. Most people feel like they can't do it.
Like which one?
Come on, but one maybe auto ne ka
well, if you can do it, you go ahead and do it.
So if you cannot do
but that's not the only option. Only option, ma. So it depends on enchanted so you choose the one you can handle. Understandable. Romance, ma. There are so many ways to romance a woman, and kissing is number 1, touching is number 2, you know, massaging is number 3. Until you sit 30 minutes, 1 hour, massage mama can you do it? How many of you do? Ikubara fast. Isha benri kutwanya ngba yepun jaculate zanama. But with the dildo, ma, the dildo she will use the dildo to massage herself like touch oma for some time ha le katna pillow to matumbo. Then go nye oman gardon rianshi osha. You see that? Okay.
I'm the moment. I'm gonna do shama and oh yes shama. Yelma mkaruhni lara benma. The mala de my bukata garte dabomo. Perla benma to enchoku pa feeling kana sham to dabo to meet the expectations ma.
Is it champo hakapu management? Okay. I see an kana tibule as I'm sharing now na him make any mistake and selmi ko borangon try am kaula
yes
o ko choku no la karchan te paga na on no borrasham sex it's not only do in cerca sex satisfier is a satisfier before ian non sex pawo tumos o choho denna ka do baza choho denna ki zasana to satisfy the human do one day in satisfying in both of you have to satisfy each other
of course
bekala so do some no to denna ka pawo baza to denna so at the end of the day muna ne yana romance shalla because the board young na te you know one but yila she pala most of the time do one know the much of the work than the woman so it will get to a point you can't control it again.
Yes,
you have to go in then something application but didn't karnyala once ka do baza mwande station pa baza mwande me so mpashele mami tebjala tabne doso biane oden kanana fast bekala kasomi biane it takes time to come so do oden kana fast kan yim pawo den tam yim pawo bana mal extra work na chum di en toche ko nan tola labna ya before ko tele labna mpashela gbaza orgasm la pa de pakana but you relax and want the guy to do all the work at the end of the day jo shawa pankana o enforcement no che yilo because mun pontum no tuma zaza. So there is no mistake. Now make a mistake. It's not how we are too local. But most of our women but jimene tenem tuma won yanga because sex repomaka jo konkozo de nyala both gender and twala denna kan gba twan denna so at the end of the day pawo shahwa yi de katan romance on the yalla into romance tabhal ka pawo baza salatu wege den tamo baza shahwa ta karamba so ba shahwa ta kana agbada hadan kana den tamo ha do won ku spend 1 minute by even my problem you both of you will satisfy because you romance tabhal yanga hal ki zasa tinyema so how do we could spend 1 minute and design la okay but then di nan kan ku do nan ma ban shakam then ni shawa na bakana ka do mun shawa pan kana ari di ko to satisfy ko to reach orgasm shawa
ka ben ba kama ye shamo do shawa to kana ma pa won do to no o lawe ka wa so ngunu to do ngula ni nyilan forsa ma ha
so ben o ku Canada na ma o ku lan to chang
so like I hear so muna in a case ka nyela nyimpa agulan tuna nsondu
ma dab shaba you try agwan try la best ko ku doela ma wonu ku kana once mara na mo ku to lan kana because beginning man karaza habbe from the start ma wonu ku mura mo chok pur don kwanji ko ba de nkpa ba ana kan free so on pa ba ana kan free ma olan ka strength nyimpa ngon ba nyin mo kawula there's no way he will come but beginning ma dinyola o maloni kagba magani then you start to play yourself you get to some time that is I mala your orgasm so if you just go in is I nang la free
okay so fine so I do la kama o kandena butu as a lady like wula ka en you to maintain oku over Canada ayom
so then you can't even maintain them because during the play part magba mo punya zang ba kana de mpaganya mama but of course some of them are like that like during the play part ma mo punya zang ba ka do because it's something that is enjoyable you understand because if you are to go in for play without going in to do sex you enjoy it more than the sex but this is something a lot of men doesn't know banko mean like come on they like just no this is not it at the end but at the end of everything within 1 minute ma is has but if spending come on more time in playing yourselves if you to connect it is your orgasm but you don't get it and you just go straight take and leave me alone
na onnam pako me darza pam ka joyi bora o feelings mun kam na very fast pangoy bang jo won shebo len lab ma yisi ha bro len lab ma yisi ha
I'm sure
pango mun de bang jo won shebo fian yala o bro len lab ma yisi pa ma lab shaw mami po ka bro wen yisi ma she de connect la brain wo
yes
so the mala and demo sham ayan touch your sham that is why you
so fine the mala and demo sham let me come here before I forget this point the mala now the nampa ko mal darza kama ka doyi kana karamal an yan demo sham ko kana ma mini commande and the nampa ma orbe meet or abomito orgasm karale ma so first of all you may hit her pain Antonio go feel her pains so second one she woni an ma when sacrifice my time the pala obayan boarama she's not going to enjoy it you understand she's not going to enjoy it but rather she's going to sacrifice to you
okay
so
or yarman kadama ne do shablan on abem papa on kapam bai aya to demand a point mo kan yara di nan ka jongo na ba paga ba kapam bai nyimpa won mala ayen play amino ne la play ro shele ya na on pa darza o me darza pam ko ila lapta yim bongo tachi o fian yalanga jongo len lab ma so at that time joma ne ten pola nyimba za say para a orgasm
but are you aware that so ben on could buy whether
It's not possible.
Even no.
But
it's not possible.
What I'm believing is that kama so no bala on yellow ma ka ko yellow ka ko nku wabsra then no kula to check
no, but you give my real romance, like real touches. So ongo basha mala touches man ola nchengola mbahla magwa. Even if he's to penetrate like obala champion and you the woman will still be like that.
I to bang en shamtra ko yo mozale avant la bo nkoza kamine ab no yo mon kana mala sa hama de tuni mama avant mortizan ta de njeka kandina ma blan kana chan wis kariya
you
can do it
the 2 minute bamba sheshele nda reader ba sheshele anye do first time man ka do to bar fast che ka do labna
kado comes out kado comes out
it's
not all the time ka first time kado bar fast atinya
kado bu to bar fast nyimbo on top ben sheshele like first round
no natural strength
yes the men of Oshaba yes natural ya ma raba galsi anye do comes as a first like on for by first round is very like oku you zahan 2 minutes or 1 minute
on my pon ku ya be de puni like he's not thinking of anything else
honestly tenya daba and to fold them by ma understand
okay then
kama mangbano ko non vego no ko non vego dit non ka do to last more than 2 minutes be 5 minutes in first round
deep up and shout di
no to ko mala the natural da
marzo katiyema maybe 100%
I mean foreplay ma gbalon to lan delay do before ko na release amila foreplay ma I mean
yes,
because the sex is not about commande carry papas din ka ban zirgo nyali it's not food it's something I mean pani and meat be I mean doni and meat then kiza feel okay I won't yasam tabne so in that case woman commande anybody man my ma the time attention mean when she come and play you end up coming ka 1 minute base 1 seconds ma level ma yellow you just play yourself and at the end you are not satisfied because Sasha in the bar 1 minute be 30 seconds time shalma woman ma won kana orgasm then one little touch pet can nyimpunzang ba but if you take your time I take our time you also delay and then
so come at time feeling my at times I don't know whether need to control it be kama naturally aben yurme dem mama on ko yankana ka check up
well it varies man like you say you are the man and then you do but a lot of you even marla yema because you always want to just come fast and then be okay because Ishaba understanding what it is to intercourse yes Ishaba understand Baba understand mama they know how it is because it's not about so remember even a one would just strip mark on back on zambana so such a person
I didn't know
open year when you are
zambana so like all the
not attractive to your body like
so fine so not attractive to your body ma it's normal then you're normal and you're command they don't attractive to per body immediately on your command on your body then you're normal no attractive to their body and the don't cause super release with that corporal touch is not touch
so
you understand
it means that
is there bad I insist and command doing magoma coming pa going into foreplay obi an kana very fast
you see I enter them for kana nyepa there is some kind of mentality change puncha zone before like adni yerma pari ku to walk to you do to have sex join walk to pa to have sex so poko kana no tell you have sex ma o mind we na pom dia sex mo
count
so over to performance first round ma it means that o mind la
much ma yes
now that is where is asset some nipa and kana together in romance town
build
conscious then in romance town yelanga halki zasa paranto to reach orgasm. First one wa ka orgasm is just something to release tension. To release tension. So that is why can you dab shaba. Kana ku ye ga nema. Sachon na ku yunya bi ha ko ka yes can you ma. So not about the point shaba nyala. Now we make a mistake. Did kana Dagbani to do no more.
So okay, finish up.
Now we make a mistake. Did kana Dagbani dildo no more. Yes, Anto you say dildo. But then as to whether the kuwa amfane shell amborma at that moment ma the kuwa ambor amfane shell ma but the kutoko paka do I mean do yindem bodo consensus shell car no to release ben shazanti ya dildo ko to yara sex ton the kutoko kula bukata at the end of the day the only thing you can do is that power and touch rama. Is that you are touching your breast or Kazan yes, as sensitive.
And can you feel more than you do?
I could feel
because
third part, second part in the
listen, or you like to actually. Paguto walk to do to have him sex without Ndoma negative negative implication about the woman because you be thinking differently because unwana kara be magba because down south madin kalala but understand the tabla but unwana the negative thought and garsi and gare understanding the other party so then nunca paguto walk to do unwana chat to have a sex ma before ka do ti enchanti yel pa ben to approach pa karnyela o attempt through me sex open build la on mind based on that ma and that is why you see the man coming so fast even when he get the chance but if when they prepare your mind it's a mutual sex should be a mutual connectivity mutual understanding if it is mutual understanding come on the yama cause asha come and they first round to can no so Benny first round want to last for even 5 minutes but yes so Ben first round to last for 5 minutes and I made check on to last for 5 minutes ma because of the mutual understanding la boire me kapama boire so bizarre and take a lot of time to romance themselves and at the end ma bizarre and like okay
so let's get it clear before we proceed thing yare first round bahmo is it that sashele pamonu to zang dumon to zang o tune non pamo tune kalara bahmo ma kana yomma be maybe triple from the period in massage tabna ha la romance period ma nzana no to penzo o tune non pamo tune sashe ka bahmo ka calculate minutes
no ka period share romance man start carry and calculate pa bukan two months ago and la romance go build the taven yalanka so at that period ma you step so come and reach like orgasm so we are reachable orgasm and they penetrate they can even take for that period time shall yarma because bizarre enjoy element and it's not that common cartonia command ka doma to kana very fast because that time I enjoy me so even okanda but some of bishaba they still have control over them because feeling shall and the touch be in the touch tamara bella o man so you see that odikuto ba very fast lama and then talking to the romance ma let's say command pa meet la do over romance so oguchan la straight to the point ma pa ma feel la pains so that is where ko chan to choose dildo over a man and then you talk of dildo kuto romance what is the difference between the dildo and you the man who doesn't massage doesn't
massage
for play yeah dildo man I mean the difference nya la dane and so at the end dildo man want to pama on feelings garanyo ndo because nyindum kunya let's just do it and then while away
so to check abi lol kam ka yuna inside Tamale bon GAIDA-COM TV zo mona te table Hamza Mohamed Bedumo pour ne katizana fa zan triama check on vo comme kalama. Okay, so I be lol kam GAIDA-COM TV zone na bon to vo comme kalabna mona te table Hamza Mohamed na yala bambe gudumo pune kan ya enti kadama liga shell ne yama man kan exclusive we na banan terma ne mama kan yer sa shell kam so di nang makagwa be samban kanye liga ma kar na velm jese mbalama anto contact mankan ngbaza hadiga jese kar konko ko hara ni kamo ko hara osanma mankan min ya manyala den vel pam mankan bela shisha ai chana ai paso je pa ba ku ya bisko bela ka paso je pa ba ai yuli anu dirgozo anya mankan boutique ma dimi nyala nyang pa pulo ka yinkana apana ne ku yala lo shala le anu zazo mankan boutique ma nyala dem bien dina ne za mankan namba nzanta agwa ku bolantu ko non delivery onto zan ne ma paga na ka tida ente table vena ne ko ma ba gwaza hanya ban table so nte jimo vena de mi kom so kamza hapo mi kom ma ne sha bona ma la fi ven yanga de tan ku yare to ashe ma bona chen ven yanga ka nyur vena kom a chen de nyala de chen ven azanta so mona ndena biasa ne tin discuss re to ashe is very sensitive pompon pa prefer dildos ngadaba dildo no toti pabia
dildo go to pabia ni da doko no to pabi mana ka pamen dori penetrate nyeder no to pabia this time be shaka pa ko la easy pa wano to kulam do abia karapolo min don ko do abia oh yes to mal ben shaka bondel artificial insemination ka ba chibi sperm nang pa ko kare pule ento do karapolo min don
ya sperm smile
doni kare yina o mi jela stress de ben stress de ben the truth be told ya malama ngon ku zaman doni kap birna pa me no to lan do abia karapolo min don ko do abima
that one they agree
and pa me gba to lan pa me gba to lan do obia karapolo yan karla pregnancy man to do abima
karnya wula
ben yela o gba bane lai be malaba nang de le sham
okay
ta ben nang le nang doctors man nang de le kar ben nang le like what do they do like do ma sperm ka ben zang ne pa ma gbaza ha ko la ex ma ta mala ex changa ta nang bana la ex changa dan producer be ma den ka ben yusi zana nun ko ba ne ka kun ne chila hala ka ta leb ganin sala kam kare ni ba ma za ha DNA so besha kam non la easy currently
so therefore
so come no choice I'm choosing nang shall dan kayan changa na oh yeah
so therefore avenue ka dildos mo use ma ka de my barna zanti pa
yes dildos ma use my barna pam but problem man ni shamnyala if kala understanding until you guys learn dildo man understand gare because until you guys learn to understand us dildo no man can take it over because I cannot you change session a number of women shabam use dildo but guys bam zamba mine and Dagbani and the reason more channel cannot chongo more reason manual command umwana because I think topic might divert me in lab umwana
we center
yeah so umwana Idlan can understand and Shanyala command to Daniela humans. No one is a saint. So papa psia Daniela sinners. So to Zahana ye sinners ma. This doya pam command ka do kunye pa. Kanyela one focus za hakunye ko bom no ko papa makazungu ba. Kanyela win nyele zantuna ko you are hey kapa ngo to langar sha pologba. Oku kan no te gare o enterto me bingo manano but it is no news. You understand because it's a high enjoy element and do you even know the funny thing daba you are la paba most daba but you are la paba to satisfy themselves and then women use kapame ban use daba to also gain pleasure so two man if dinyala pa ka me no meet impa she wala ka di halaka me no te meet ma karanye win zantin kan you are hey then if pangogba na nye atwe kagba you are then at the end who is the winner
So
win it. No, she will even win you because you've even spent extra.
Okay.
So you understand. So until come on, they can't wanna double mile learn it, understand.
Okay. So come on, ku yeshemo. Anku yeshemo. Nyanga hari yele ne kama pa. No to approach you do and you oh no boy
have a sex
ka relationship shall
karakane yeah
aban labo but abakwan kana you pa mo pambien you don't do it because you bore a lot
stigma
so
ma
before ka party and approach la agba
Usually it's not just l'arma assegnale because in benegi in such a way that no in benegi because come on there is no common party canatari murdo kare yellow let's have sex but there are some advances that go and make her like ogwa ko make her some action shaka ku yoga ko mene command yeah this lady oboam ne no but ni man no puyan kana shama is very like the bara and sometimes pa won no to la manage ba to nya attention new borban sha asane and then at the end of everything like ka play your dirty I will that ma okwan play that I'm very dirty all regret
check am ko kusata onwaya ka bolela sukari nye kama domin pai kama do la pa ko kano sane ko kumine kama o do non shamo bon mino have sex ma kana you know for the first time bala do zo ngumbo bono non le karangman chip ka bolo kache ka ndumo tia le ka komata marna
ko na tomba pago ba
exactly
you see sometimes reason sharing check na left to me mane commande there is nothing like first time or last time because don't ko bor pa won ko boro me if ti an kana te relationships polo ka do la pa ko kana osane ko to don't ko bor pa won ko boro me do me no ko lambo no ko lam pa ka zo ka chu ogba ko lam bian me because so bene an kana until you are the two commanded like woman pa I am mrudo the two na me reason shall am mruto ma because like iya la ban sha the betuni atati so sha mrupo et ban and the two na ami am borsha na no to no sha na ko to no sha so it means that don't la kamro ko to bor sex ka me sex it's simple ki ma tabla ban goron ka tananya la beginning be mo amas sex nyela ben shasha dan pa ko no very cheap tum pa jisa shasha so do no la kan na bona na ndila amang no ona take mot o ko bono chante no lo chang maten no so if nyim pa won bo bore on bor shel ka to lab ka changa chande you understand inte ben dira no o ben di wala on bor shel mbala ma dildo ben
okay aya
na dildo ben ko chaya inte use o dildo but if
kale bill double man o yara
well
because la dildo smart after bill no na ya
achant mro kaza oh this is just the beginning so na ko to don wote na wait ma okay fine so ben when time ha ka ku nang de ben sha kam trabo kan la very caring ben am ku convince ka to believe in command yes sa papa nan pa youth is ala they very they shall and you to ma ko tom zo kacha I think this is more painful than the very first they shall and you to ko zo kacha ma because abom na believe me I am build like trust and at the end
trust
it's about mindset so the two ni ami am borshale na am borshale
okay so fine mama lara dildos mo there are so many things ka te dabanang na ka lara bunwa ka kuto pula bukata ma te paba but pumpon abapa hanka pa ma ne bibia shema dun to che ka debe matin dabungo kama ai bo pa ko ye engage man lara bunwa ma kuto satisfy so debe me to mala ne pa mama on to zan o man yin titir dabadun ko nan ka o satisfaction de non okay zanto
easy that is why ka yulka daba progrès anyo ko no mbora person na mido because ada onyanwo na bo mido wa or ponji dildo do na jinzan o ben shatalo to so balote bande ben sha so o no okay but once ka ami mpaso na marano maybe ayata mimpioni mpasha ka dildo baza pa pumpo da bien pas malade because dildo no to kama muna na riya no to orgasm shele ni munye ni salon ya akotola ntole so now I'm getting married to Lanyera bekala pumpo what did I do unko to satisfy you samba na nyiro to satisfy you bien you to satisfy you at the end of the day o yira samba nanti look for extra men
by satisfy
how will be you for extra sector anyame amino ina atekane ko obo dildo she the unsatisfied, and that is where zabiama biama as much as the nanka te banka damaya te pon use dildo the satisfied young daba te pantama katator later once you get married, forget about orgasm share dollar na cholam hit because and your mama pun confirm kadama do ma ko to ta orgasm share do don to ta yes. So you have to tolerate it unless of course you want to decide that I'm being married. I just want to be on my own doing my dildo. That is fine. But once you decide that I'm getting married, you have to tolerate it. If the man on to is spending like okoto nta orgasm sharam bora, you tolerate it and you live with it. But dinanka ade abecheka the amina kadama do ko to pai how do we ko pa ma vien yanga ba the ben sama do don it, and then you have to
the two now withdraw
because
I mean do ma kuto
and you get addicted to lala
so marizo kate kama power sometimes they are selfish. So by you nothing non selfish ama popo you ne pa kuldo kami ne kama do ma kuto satisfy you pa kulo me na mo dark pam kamalo mana aye bora ama kamala
to chakan kana chi pa ba non selfish. Yes, abuhala bohaguma that come on painung addictive to dildo. Kado maru. Dun tolan to ko yir sambane bio. To mbom na ba na painung addictive to dildo kado maru oku yi sambane. Mine kama addictive ko nung ti dildo ma and dildo man ya den satisfy you. Won't believe me to the dildo more than you the man. So there's no way she will even go out to a man for another man.
So pompon our main intention is to get married and obey.
Some of you are ignorant. Excuse my word. Ishaba, like ignorant. You understand? Come on. There are so many different fishes in the market. Me zam paya be dama puni. Kai chang ambor shelka enda, ambor la salmon, ambor la tilapia, ambor la bela whatever. The mala different. Kai chang te da. Like ignorance chango because of what communication. A lady who is so much addicted to dildo, more time they speak. You understand? Addicted to dildo, more time they speak, and you get to know. Some of you know, but you ignore it, and then you bring them in. Meaning you have a problem, thinking that you can solve it, and then in la ignorance, feel to bond the communication, because the two command. Mare ki difila mbanta vien yalanka. Ask all the necessary questions.
Okay.
Is that the unfortunate kanya to umwana tribu zoga commande Muslim counseling before marriage. But Christians do that,
yes,
and
course.
it even help. Cause song about pamba marriage is polo. Each one need to marriage. Counselor ma yam bohayam truly bozoka about na marriage because the pregle to ko nang de la marriage to be mirin chakata nang the marriage, and we misbehave a lot. So counselor man abozuka about na marriage o yembo ala pa same question goes to nyindongo. So ka bo atene a test mboma atene onye no so amino no to biane bonu boko malka like kai o maloni ka jele. You just open up.
Okay.
One-on-one mbalama. So you can in yellow kan titaba. So and then mami counselor ne dire fila yetu ankan kaya so akwa nzang la ben shakamaza ha because when you bohara halde ne ka be ka tehne to affect our marriage kanyem pango ka yele be nyindongo halde ne ka be ka tehne to affect our marriage kanyem dongo ba ka yele so ko o boa ka zang yetu amaza la ntaba ka jai so ka boa if aneto adjust ko na nzang eniri ba maza nzang jile apama belango ka bengo amno no to biane I am married to I'm not to be if is a sincerely he agree ne commande yamalo on be shon to be le be no we am you should stop because marriage a long journey thing but on wanna Tena mama no the can but somehow
Yeah.
tena mama to yori fila tertaba you understand because te shabe na deal do man ko no addictive magba am me to dogba like body language and even speech you speak out but you don't know when film na come you don't care.
So for the sake of time let me ask you this. Dinan kati told it benoma.
Okay.
Abu pankar ma barnati pa kama den paste shele. Dinan ka pa bazang bahanke nang la benmane. Ka detili ka ibla kundaba ka pa kuzu ka tento kunye yonge kuzu na hal ni totally nin kurgu ka kuldu karanyo believe in the ben shabiane ni to kudu bukata zanto.
Yes, the barna. But to stop this, in ndabu ngontu ni song te kara stop it. And song bo la ula. Du tu ni igbaza ha ki tone it down. Du tu ni understand it. No, du tu ni under. Yeah, I mean push it kata te darama. Kama drapun kana kata biane to bole che kara biane. Like traba milun wana ba. Kara te biane because each time kata look less of ourselves. Like you could diminish me like you could film te mahale to the extent that yes. If film to me to the extent that Lankan nang some shale. Film ma me didn't yarama command ni sanam yeti and then it is ama love feelings.
I need to feel my satellite.
Don't to China to woman, don't to kulapa zungo no. Out of love, bao let's just say be interest. Kapama zungo mantu. Kaunzo kachu. So anzo kachu ma be don't to kulapa zungo. Ka attempt pama ko otombo zongo manto then you see that the man will way away. But
do you also know that let me tell you one thing about Daba. Honestly speaking, like Anjiamo, can he meet her? Can so baga can pia yarane. Maneka nama mampumi mala intention shene zana approach rama. So intentions ni to pa kamaya mbwarmene ngwala kazo. Kartinya nyimbia winya ngumaya niripa gol kazoma. Kanna endia wahala na nyine be ne kanna kan nenyem ne kamaya mande bwan ngwala abiagu no le nche ya kan bang ne kamaya kan ne miya shama kalala mbala so I have to stick with you and I have experience with what I'm saying mama nyele me kan nyele nzo ne ma ka achwer pa ya ka intention nyam ya bimo onku bwan ngolo me kazo kati cho ya ko anyo biagu shama. Now so you pity the girl. Couple board by the lab and lanky. I mean, soon. Come on, I'm married. And let me tell you one thing. Now so when I met my wife, the picture I was looking at her, I realized that can't even do Shama. So he compared me not to do that Shama, and it leads to marriage. So he pa ma pambiane. Come on, meet and yin dine Mona. You are beautiful. So I'm very shamoma amal dabapam so katipia kalaka biagu pune understand katum committee kan you know muna ne be shamo on to nye biolo on to board sex yetwa katipia kalala kane so the pencham ka dabe man my and you na shama the tama so en change ways with you but che anto committee pa kama an yelmo kade abo na mi no jine ka tempa ya ko pun kola oh dim so
madin kampon yara ma
the border 50
yes it's
ka you there mama for the first time
yes,
ka pun
so if anta abizara ma to wumdele do ka do nyima but wumde dabane yara ko ta girl then that same day ko pun zo problems margo and bishabya o communicate ways of communicating to you because o mama mi no surama agba ben tolo you ale so ambe o page then kizan le to tabsole that is it so kuto force nang anja ben shashel it is self wish nyala am borle sham nyala so kuto force so kama yalma you meet Mona for instance ka nyempung injecti a memory with negative implementation.
Yeah. Mommy, it's normal.
Yeah, it's normal. So I meet mommy. Couple
feel come out.
Mona belango. No, like Mona ni beshango. O embelango kabengo. O ngbakuba no ngbakuche Mona kagba ku ngba nyoka chan. Kate muro Mona ka Mona kala then it change your interest again. Either to positive or negative. You still be standing by because so umbene ngunu kuze shamala ko.
Of course.
So amuru mana ya ditinyela aro yunu mene kama na bom na zang ma wala wait time katamur mana kan de pamu yan wala wait time kamero bor pa na bo then you go ahead. It's a normal thing. Dimi nyela abom na wala wait time katamur mana ka mpala kameku insist la. The choice is mine to also decide. Either can go with your decision or can withdraw from your decision. This is it.
Kama an yar shelmo ne de yara shelmo de zoya brosa abe lol kampura ko tu yalle ne pa en convaincre do don la pa ama pa en convaincre do ko lero pa. Yes, and it depends on your attitude, the kind of lifestyle I am living towards the one. Then you go by kai no born me pass so jinma ngunumbo. And let me tell you one thing, ne de yara shepunma anye kama sex kalmanaya truth is a hanet tiharisham so mane mita kar tiharla ka ta pala nira wallahi halen mina be shin ba din tonun kala bin ma karba kana tu sunsun kar ya jilma ka to bon enzam taba ama zuwa tinun ku yara e pa ba kama den pa chekati timitri ka goldi ka zuwa nyama ya isure tila ben yara so in war materials ma e mita ka shir ba ne kama ya abola material things maybe abola so iPhone 13 cannot go on 6 I'll hide it ka approach yes ka panso den ka mina meeting ya ka bound to colors and for you to now know the real of me share and so because
so it means that ana yele to ana pa an convince do to marry her must laden ma yes I'll explain
topic on it
okay fine
yes it's very broad it's very
pa an convince do ko maro ma must but let's come to pa ma shaban cheka igwalin de tika zor ka chart ma patma you see it means that ipum milata ba ma pun yela ma yesuma is a form of communication filanya le ki mala dirtra taba because amba mia ka ko ta amazal zungo before God approach ma mbashel aku tell oh wow this girl you understand ni sumba makata tamazelma then ga degen number the next minute you could you can call and borrow la credit what comes to your mind it means that feel like an diama because I have to know that nothing goes for nothing which abatero you attention session before I can dig which I don't know bazan ban chat even though
if you are a man
let me finish this
kade pa number kata pyan can have ko no bora credit we are kind
it's a normal thing let me explain why you I mean let me finish imagine do ka inde pa number kata ko no bora credit nyini sal kam di hagu pun bituna mi am bora ban sha kami anye no voice am bang anye no voice akuto bang am bora ban sha
of course
you understand because akuto bang in sal character except aminu merlataba because arani mama kanchina very decent lady kanyi maka so ma wow you wish can live up but I will expect na kamande umpun jump to be a materialistic girl so being a materialistic girl what do you expect so rutuka indogwe aku prepare nku yina yangaro tu na kamande ameka aku prepare my kwande ni chen matimala bi maka ma bi because in this life no go mo aku to bien konko no go yo emi gba ku to bien konko so I meet my mind and you're positive can't you so that oh okay it's a normal thing pamana is well that one I can't say that and use dildo is by choice it's self wish you understand man to any choice in but can be where I said because if Oronye be she would have been going around sleeping with men who no when we and did dildo feel the palabo sleepy la with daba little sakamande no kala
panu ku in yabro ya den sone ozan
pardon can be so come no choice ma and if Osha want to do and then go boyfriend or maybe not marry what do you expect
how is it possible for a girl to live without
it's very possible it's highly possible
yes reason then
my lord personal reasons in because to me I even see those things to be commanded because the so
and the yes come this time katiza papu baya the sex so maybe I have to feel sex can't call
I would prefer to karanya mutual understanding. Come on, you can be my friend. I don't need any money from you. I want to satisfy myself. So in the field of sex, come mina meetia katinengle ka mchanka chang, but ishab ka understanding because ibor lara atela yai. The moment ka pa to kanati zongomang talama kaku anashab yara. I don't want anything from you. Let's just be there to satisfy ourselves. You don't fall to number no only girlfriend, and by then no reason kayala lama. Okay, you understand?
So Sama is unfortunate. Sama Lankane. So our final words Lankana Mohammed Sankatu.
Okay, fine. On final words kunyala kamande kunyala the be sama. But used to dildo like they should tone down because in as much as the orgasm the side effects and side effects man to paga karma ya pam. And then kakula advice guys, my program is something that educate. Though I believe that some people will say to know they know
yes, so come no intention.
Yes, so come no intention. But nyala ban shashale kanane teti tabnini because yela pam nanda ka niro be sambam pulo ka ba mi de nanda ma shami bi pon sma shaba ko be do ma pun karnyala bu ba mi de cheka ba chero pun maybe influence, heartbreaks, and then disappointment doesn't have I have to bear pun ma so nko so la be pon sma demi solo dildo will never give you the joy that you seek for. The nyala de yan tota barna kakula mbalam tidan ngoma like ida enukuye tidan ma so nkula mbalen yame. And don't be quick to ignore such people. Don't be quick to throw away bad girls. Remember you have sisters and then you will soon give birth to daughters. Angela Mumbano to bagu jele nto zang hankal yetu azang to yihola halama punu so bu chere yetu ashel punu kala polo chere ma yole yetu ashel it nan ha to push so chante la life ma punu ma so kan so na command you people should let us come together as brothers and sisters, husbands and wives to reshape ourselves because this thing that are beta man kate beta my what is happening.
So there's a reason.
There is a reason. So chere kate zang let's come to Palanzia Bantawa Maltaba Venyalanka, it will help us a lot.
Okay, that's beautiful. Mama, final words.
Final words Konyala ayule muna ndifila and sometimes on padoma na banya shanga bian ko obe miri because the double meet and feeler banya shanga to me anya pa am feeler ban sheshe so oi padu tebe mire and tebe mina papa ma dara banya shanga ka ba feeler ka tebe mi so ogba yare to ashan when yaram out of onya pala tebe mi yare to ashan te yaram because te mi ne tin yar banya shanga ka ba mi ban yar banya shanga and like he said ma tazasa sumne telam nan vo shabam jara puni that is a time ka we need to more than double that time man sumne te more attention they should be willing to open up in Canada law cannot use to deal doma you should be
like, you have to tell me yes
when you open up
yes
last time you open up don't judge our men, some of us we are quick to judge because karate yama rules that bring karate chema pam so ami wula katienna lata maka borne ajajiro don't judge at dit papa la don't judge you amirande ngamo that man subsna to more attention support her with everything that you have to make sure that kadala ben yarama ko no cho yima it can change and totally and you can only change it when you give that person much attention. Once the person has that much attention on tamba no me use of doma oko ntamle no ma so our men to kwantamba the problem shovel bambier punila once kat laba ka open up to us we shouldn't judge we should make sure that kat tap song back change here.
That's beautiful. Check out programs provoke here to don't could discuss it to ashema the number afaso driver you oduru in chan cantency so until chanting 2 weeks or 3 weeks nipolo come in my pa so karpa time shelo kuna so yelo mini o pama ne o pamo ne to ashele so do mono kuna ka de pa bozes kuno osune ko vere o pama ne mapune no kunye shara shele so de nyo vere dan shele tinye condom o pamo ne mane ka on do mo mi zana no ko o chele zanna kala o tumane entelam bien to kuna condom shelo nda nyama dran kan different brand bien ko la laba entela kuna ka different one lambian kala condom ma ka za use so do mo wonzil sku nyama kama pamo maybe woman da ban la andama ko bolo pamo jile karno mo yeto ko yendo yelmo la condom ma ban sha o mal nunda ka pamati yo nirbe kadama nela dir dos mo ko yusra de sa do wo sa'ro vien yanga be den non ko o gorma ma sa she mun su hitibi do ni ko idan mo na kane dara bunu ko en yusen zan satisfy o ma to ka afumo kat pamo di yen ka be sambane pama nin shammo ma o ma yemangle be dir butunu nun dara ka domo no karo shammo ma domo gba ma yemang bi o kon yemang no karo shammo ma domi pamo yelo yemang no yusre ben shamo so onde yelo ma der tune or ma babu pa ko mino bien ko mi non do ko barka non lamu be on karo mo nyebes so I be sambane you take your decision do mala bi o mala bi pa o ban non shambo vie ya ba bi ka vie ya donc ou bien ba so ne zan tongo kazan pour sonti Hamza Mohamed te table mona ne buntu ni sa pena du mo pon katizan fa ndem ben zantiyan den kabri yelma so kame ku difila ay bu de puna fa ne bien me ba di kunya kwa wum le mene ni ngule ni san ni ni vo ya la ka gba kula han pole amila wum num kan ya wum lem na lan tunirba to den kula ngana mbalama ne zan te kazan pour sonti mo kam do GAIDA-COM TV de ba bande inside Tamale jimoma ka pense ya jande yi follow him on TikTok ka follow it on Facebook ka chan te subscribe it to YouTube channel ati ko ba program sa share kam kan to will quickly iglas na matime barajin du mo pune in yala zampa benya delivery company so di nang maka be lo kam ka borne maybe bandiro ka da ka borne shabzanta ai contact ba amen ba po hane to yuta ba ka nan la zanta be di nyala kam na pon ka mi bandiro ne be lo chapulo ai ran contact ba ban to che ka ban shin ka nyasle be indu mi nyasle ne be lo chapulo be sakuro bandira ma za ban to che ka ban den be lo chapulo ka ode ka bazan bandiro ma na tizanta ka bubul lagre nzanta ba di la nan mo ka lan kana pe ka ku borna gore fa antu lan ko ba ka ban yebitana ko mala gwar fangel ne yon demi nang maka kula ma girlfriend ka do yan ku bo na ni ma ka bi ma pa ga na ben nan chang te ko bi ma ta na ben sha kam ben nang me ba yi dem be fiara ben sha kam they can do for you so di nang ka bor services ayulti screen mazo ben namba nam pa antu wi le bolba kaman ba jitab dan fane halbe ya kom baza haibe lol kam kabor kom banyaban ko kom bantu umbu muto ki gane ko zantana be tan kabnu to zana te pa zanta so ban be UDS table target bol mo za kom yeto amok sere pa into contact ba kabnu la zantinya de man pa nyala ti jimo ma de nyala den champam di nang makai nang dabilugo kabor ne te menagine ka ko hada biluma du mo pune our doors are open temina po hanu to yu taba ka tenang la zanzanta de zodinya bona nang la antu bol 020 28 20 182 020 28 20 182 antu bol management ma ka man ba po yu taba katimina jinjimo pune kwa dabilu ma te sambane bibi nan ka ba halan do la jimo kadira fan ma kanin to ka bona sonte be data ma agwantu za sontin zanti la number shenu ku bolo ma la 020 28 20 1821 disaster high ball tinyara temana kwa hanya mutama mbona abu ma jimo katipi ball inside tama tibi ni kalbia anza tinyo vya pa ya tinyara bane ngama tizanjima to manager GAIDA-COM CEO table done to produce and movie comes out post through Assalamu alaikum.